Hello everyone, it's Ryan here with Frontline Animal Removal. Today I want to show you the incorrect way to fix a problem with squirrels because the house was incorrectly built. Let me show you the first problem. Here we have the gutter line of the house. Up underneath here we have drip edge. As you can see, there's a gap between the drip edge and the back of the gutter, because they did not correctly run the fascia trim all the way up behind the drip edge. So now the squirrels are getting in. Well, you might wonder how we're going to fix this incorrectly. Well, here's the incorrect fix. That's it done there. The metal wraps up and around and goes down into the gutter. It's secure and creates a nice barrier. This is what I made. It's got the profile similar to drip edge. It's not really drip edge. It kind of functions as drip edge, but it will cover the holes up. I might as well show you how easy this stuff snaps into place. Now the first thing I had to do is I had to make it. So we made this. We had to cut notches to go around our gutter mounts. Puts down, lift the shingles up, and it's popped into position. Fits nice and tight. We'll throw a couple screws in it to anchor it, and that section is done. Now, why do I say this is the incorrect way of fixing it? Well, the correct way of fixing it is we drop the gutter, we take the fascia trim off, we redo the whole side over here. Well, to be quite honest, that's really expensive. And not all my customers have a lot of money to throw around with problems like this. So I've come up with this shortcut solution. Now, knowing that this is a shortcut solution, there's the possibility that the squirrels might be able to figure it out in the future, because it's not done right. We only are putting up one barrier rather than two, but it should work. I've done this before and have had success. It's way cheaper than fixing things the correct way. It still looks pretty good, and for the most part it works pretty well. So if you're having squirrel problems and a big expensive fix isn't working, or you can't afford it and you need something creative, give us a call. Maybe we can come up with something that will provide you with a short-term fix, or even a sort of long-term fix until things can be corrected in the future. More than likely, this fix will last a long time until the roof needs replaced. So maybe in 10-15 years, when they have the roof done, they can do the fascia trim and the downspouts, gutters, and everything else and make it right. But this should do it for now. Thank you.